What if I told you that an AI robot could literally help you make money from your laptop? Starting today, no webcam, no followers, no startup cash, just free tools, a little curiosity, and a side hustle that runs while you sleep. Sounds fake, right? It's not. Welcome to Moneybot Daily. And today I'm showing you how to launch your first AI-powered side hustle from scratch. Let's go. First things first, you need to pick your playground. That's your niche here. The group of people you're helping. You want to get specific, like parents who need printable chore charts, coaches who need an ebook fast. The more focused you are, the easier it is to stand out. Trust me, AI is powerful, but it still needs a purpose. Step 2. Pick a money move. Now let's talk about the side hustle itself, the actual thing you'll offer. You don't need to invent the next Uber. Just plug into one of these. Option 1. AI-powered freelancing offer writing, social media, or design services using ChatGPT and Canva. Option 2. Digital products on Etsy. Think planners, templates, or journals you can make once and sell forever. Option 3. Content creation with a faceless brand. Use AI to create TikToks or Reels that drive affiliate revenue. No dancing required. Pick one. Keep it simple. We scale later. Step 3. Load up on free tools. It's toolkit time. You don't need to drop $1. Here's what I use. ChatGPT for writing and idea generation, Canva for design and templates, 11 Labs for voiceovers, CapCut for video editing with auto captions, Pexels and Pixabay for free stock footage, Linktree to host all your stuff in one clean link. If you've got a laptop or phone, you're already overqualified. Step 4. Build it in real time. Let me show you how easy this actually is. Let's say I want to sell a Sunday reset planner on Etsy. I ask ChatGPT to give me a weekly layout for a wellness-themed planner with motivational quotes. Boom, layout generated. I open Canva, search planner, drop in the layout, tweak the colors, and it actually looks good? Download as a PDF. Upload to Etsy as a digital download. You now have a product that can make you money 24/7. And yes, people really do buy these every single day. Step 5. Get eyeballs. You built it, now you need people to see it. This is where most people panic, but don't. Here's how to drive traffic without feeling gross. Post short, useful TikToks like 3 ways to reset your week and feature your planner. Make pins on Pinterest that link back to your Etsy. Join Facebook groups or subreddits in your niche. If you're freelancing, post samples on LinkedIn or DM small businesses. Consistency beats going viral. One person buying every day adds up real fast. Step 6. Monetize plus automate. Once the clicks start coming, it's time to level up. Add bonuses to your offer. Bundle products. Sell upgrades. Start building an email list with something free, like a self-care checklist or content calendar template. Then, and this is the good part, use automation tools to do the work for you. Use Zapier to auto-send downloads. Use ChatGPT to pre-write emails or customer replies. Eventually, hire someone on Upwork to help scale. What started as just a side hustle now feels like a little digital machine that works for you. Real talk before you go. Here's the truth. Most people will watch videos like this and never actually do it. But the difference between watching and earning? One afternoon of trying it for yourself. So start small. Pick one offer. Use the free tools. Mess it up. Fix it. Try again. You could scroll for 3 more hours today, or you could build something that pays you back for months. Subscribe to Moneybot Daily for more AI-powered income strategies, and drop a comment if you're actually going to try this. I'll be rooting for you.